Hey little angels! So for today's video, we are going to be filming kind of like a making myself look and feel better type of video. I saw Michaela Long do a video like this. I love Michaela. If you don't watch her, go watch her because you'll love her videos. I saw her do it and I just kind of felt like now would be a good time for me to film it because I feel like shit. I've been sick for the past week, like really sick. I was sick on Thanksgiving. I didn't get to eat all I wanted to on Thanksgiving this year. Doesn't that suck? Throughout the week, you have things that keep your maintenance up that you do little by little throughout the week so that you never have to do like a lot of it. For me, it's like plucking my eyebrows or maybe removing like my little stash every other week or something. But because I've been sick and honestly just mentally drained because I was sick, I haven't been able to do those things. So I feel very like just not up to my standards right now, and I feel like today would be a good day to get myself looking and feeling right. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to, and let's just get started. So for the first thing I want to do today is just meditate. The reason why I feel like this is important is because it's gonna set your mind for the right mood for that whole day. If anything, do it numerous times a day. Like I'm just gonna do it once today, like in this video. But I highly recommend, if you don't do it, just try it. The way I pretty much meditate is I downloaded this app called Calm. This video is not sponsored. They've never contacted me before. It's just like a meditation app. Like it just kind of helps you if you're a beginner or if you're trying to meditate on something specific. Like for example, I have like self-care pulled up and I was doing like a I was doing the 7 days of self-esteem and 7 days of happiness. You need to be able to catch things in your mind when you're mentally drifting a little bit, I feel like. And lately I have been struggling with my self-esteem a little bit. How it helps you with that specific thing, like how I said self-esteem, it has like a lady that talks to you and helps you focus on certain things and puts your mind really in the right space. I usually do this with headphones on just in case my roommates come home. Literally always do it with headphones, but I'm gonna play it out loud a little bit while I film this just so that you guys can get like a feel for what she says and stuff. It's just really helpful for me and I feel like this could help you guys out a lot. So I'm going to do the 7 days of happiness. Even though I've been talking about the self-esteem one, I really want to do the happiness one today. I pretty much just get comfy, turn down any music I have going on.
Welcome to day 2 of the 7 days of happiness. Each time the mind wanders, practice bringing it back with kind, gentle compassion. Now let's shift our focus from the breath to the body. Breathe kind, gentle energy into any areas of discomfort. Notice how it feels to rest in a compassionate state of self-love and acceptance. Congratulations for completing day 2. We'll be learning how to let go.
I just love meditating. The next thing I wanted to do to make myself look and feel better, I wanted to do some yoga. I don't do yoga very often, but every time I do, like physically, I feel really good. And I feel like when I was sick, I was so like, I was on my period too. And I was having so many cramps that I was just like in this fetus position for so long. And I just feel like I need to stretch out and get comfortable again. So that's what we're going to do. I'm gonna pop in for 1 second. Today's video is sponsored by Smile Brilliant. Smile Brilliant has an at-home teeth whitening kit that I've been using to whiten my teeth at home. Every YouTuber's been hit up by teeth whitening companies, probably numerous ones. But I really liked Smile Brilliant because they're really affordable, first off, because teeth whitening can be really expensive. It's a really easy and kind of fun process, and it's quick. So all the things I kind of needed in one that others didn't really give me. I'm gonna insert some before pictures. Sorry, I'm really bad at taking them, but I took a few, so I'm just gonna like put them on the screen. And you guys always ask me what I do to get my teeth so white. I've been using Smile Brilliant to do that. So they sent me the kit to make my impressions, and it was really easy, which I was surprised with. But you really just mixed the catalyst and the base, I believe is what it's called, the blue one and the white one. And you put them in the impression holder thing, and then you put that in your mouth and you bite down. If you're worried about getting the wrong impression or kind of messing up your impression, they have detailed instructions on how the impression needs to look. The directions really help. But once that's dried, you just send that to Smile Brilliant, and about a week later, they'll send you your top and bottom tray. I'm gonna show you how I use my trays. I've used them about maybe like 7 to 10 times now. And you can use them almost every single a day. That's what's so cool about this one, because it doesn't give me a lot of sensitivity. Like if I needed to whiten my teeth every day, like maybe I had some special event and I hadn't been whitening my teeth, I needed to do it for like 2 or 3 days in a row. Like it wouldn't be that big of a deal or that harsh on my teeth. And even if it is, it comes with desensitizing gel that you would just put in the trays and wear that. I've never had to use that though, by the way. But these are what the trays look like. They're just clear and they're really, really flimsy. Like they're really comfortable. They don't feel like a retainer. I don't like the way retainers feel. It comes with this gel. There's a ton of these, don't worry. Whenever you order it, it comes with like so many of these. Like you have enough for probably like 50 uses, because each one of these comes with 7 to 12 uses in it. You just take this little like syringe thing and you squeeze like a thin band or ribbon around your teeth. I honestly have not been whitening my teeth that much lately, so we're gonna see how it looks after one use. Just make sure your teeth are dry, and then that's it. You can leave it on for however long, 45 to 3 hours is what I usually do. I don't think however long, I take that back, but like 45 to 3 hours. I'm probably gonna leave on for like an hour and a half. I'm gonna do my bottom tray. So yeah, they're both in and they're really comfortable. You can wear these anywhere. I'm gonna let this sit for an hour and a half like I said, and I'm gonna be back to show you guys the results. Okay, it's been an hour and a half. They always look so good whenever I take them out. I'm excited. This is how my smile's looking. Of course, it looks freaking great. Thank you so much, Smile Brilliant, for even wanting to sponsor me. I do have a lot more confidence over my teeth now. Don't forget to click the link in my description if you want to use Smile Brilliant with some money off. Thank you so much, Smile Brilliant, for sponsoring this video. If you're like me and you don't really do yoga, but you want to start, literally all I do is look up beginner yoga YouTube videos. I put on my like phone or my TV, and that's just how I do it. So you don't need to be a pro. Instead of on beginners yoga, I'm just gonna look up like morning yoga or sunrise yoga. I'm watching Yoga with Cassandra, her 10-minute morning full yoga body stretch. I'll put the link down below just in case you guys want to use this one.
Thank you so much, Yogis, for doing this quick morning stretch sequence with me. I hope you feel loosened up and ready.
Some good ass yoga. That is stretching me out. Next, I'm gonna take a quick little shower. Nothing like crazy. I'm not even washing my hair because my hair's pretty clean right now. And now I have to shave my legs. Simple stuff like that though. I won't do any skincare until I get out. So I'm out the shower now and I'm pretty much ready to do my skincare. So let me just put on my little... I'm not doing anything too crazy for the skin today. I'm just going to wash my face really quick with like literally just like my Cetaphil daily cleanser. And while my face is still wet from that, I'm just gonna take this teeny green tea facial scrub. I love this stuff. They sponsored me once before. I still use them like all the time. And for the very last thing, I'm gonna use the Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. never wear this thing overnight. It would just come off, I feel like. So I kind of wear this whenever I know I'm just gonna be like chilling for a few hours. If you have dry skin, especially with the weather right now, this is the go-to. Like, it just feels so good and simple. It doesn't feel like it's gonna really fuck up your skin or anything. I'm ready to do my nails because I can't handle them anymore. I can't. I'm done. I get that I was sick, but I let them get too bad. Look at them. Bro. I just woke up from a little nap and it is time to wash off this face mask, which is probably already off because I fell asleep. But I'm gonna be right back. I just took off the face mask. My skin has never felt this soft. It's crazy. And my teeth. Oh, they do look so white. Like, it really does show after just one use. So click the link in my description box and use my code for money off if you want to support the channel, you know. Oh yeah, I didn't paint my nails. Painted them. I know I have to remove a little stash. This is just one I've been using. It's just, oh, it's Nad's facial hair remover. What? It works pretty good though, but I thought it was Nair. Just wait 4 minutes like this. Look like a little princess for a while. Okay, it might still be a little red. That'll go away. I gotta do the brows now. They look so crazy. Like, they have these huge, giant, long hairs just coming out from where there's no other hair. So now that we're done with the base, with kind of just making ourselves like feel good, like feel smooth, and get rid of all of our facial hair, now we can just do our makeup. I'm not trying to do like a lot of makeup. I just want to do like feel good makeup, you know, get rid of my dark circles that seem to never go away. So yeah, I probably won't talk during this. I'm gonna just be listening to music and I'll just film me doing my makeup. I will be back after my camera's charged and after my hair's done. Okay. I'm gonna bring up my window. It'll be a little brighter. This is the look that I came up with. Pretty much like a natural beauty type of look, you know, because I'm just trying to enhance what I got going on. And I have to say, I do feel better and I do feel like I look better. So this video was successful. Honestly, I've been having so much going on in my life that I never expected to happen. And it's been so crazy. So I'm so sorry if I don't get to uploading as much as I want to. Bitch. But I will be trying to upload as much as I possibly can. I will be able to update you guys with what's been going on in my life later, just not right now. Just a little fresh right now. I'm just so glad I'm not sick anymore. I'm so glad I can feel alive and look alive again. The way I'm going to end this video is I'm going to light a candle and read a good book that I've been reading. Probably drink some tea too. This is just called Gods at War by Kyle Idleman, I guess. It's pretty good. It was my aunt's. She has a whole bunch of notes in it and stuff too. It's really fun to like see where she started thinking harder on. I don't know, I've just been really enjoying this. I just started reading it, but I didn't expect it to make me so happy. I usually don't read that much. I usually don't enjoy it, but lately I've been getting into it so much. Like, once you start, I just can't stop after that. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed feeling better with me, because I needed this. Let me know what you guys want me to film down below. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want to. I love you guys so much. Thank you for clicking on this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.